We'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT picture prompt using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the ChatGPT section. You'll see an option to start a new chat. Click on this to begin. Now, in the chat interface, you can type your prompt. To create a picture prompt, you need to specify that you want an image included with your text. Type something like, "Create a picture of a serene beach with a sunset," and add a descriptive paragraph. You can be as detailed as you want with your description. Once you've entered your prompt, hit enter to submit it. The AI will process your request and generate a response. This might take a few seconds, so be patient. When the image and text are generated, you'll see them appear in the chat window. You can click on the image to view it in full size. If you want to download the image, most browsers will allow you to right-click on the image and select the option to save it to your device. Remember, the key to a good picture prompt is a clear and detailed description, so don't hesitate to include specific elements or themes you want in the image. This will help the AI understand your vision better. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.